Food Science from Farm to Fork by Maheen Khan. What is food science? So food science is the study of producing, processing, preparing, evaluating and using food and knowing nutrition in the food. So today we're going to focus on these 5 words: produce, process, prepare, evaluate and use. Here you see. So now let's continue. The food we get comes from nature, but to simplify it, people have divided it into plant-based food and animal-based food, just like word non-veg and veg, but the scientific term is this. Now observe this image. What do you think this is? So this is a type of seed, and there are many such seeds in nature. This is how beetle seeds turn when added in water. So this here again is science, but we aren't going to learn about this specifically. So let's move on. Does a mango have a seed? Does watermelon? And does an apple? The answer is surely yes. Now the food you eat comes from seeds. So from farm, actually in the farm, seeds are what produces plant-based food. Can you think of a seedless fruit? There isn't any seedless ones. Okay. Now there is a lot of science behind a seed. You know, it can produce many things. See, we come to the word produce when we talk about seeds, because it's just something we need to produce food. Now let's see how food is produced in animal base. The animal based food is produced from the animals. Now let's go on the keyword process. So the plants are produced from seeds and turn into big grown plants now. Then it's processed. In this part, after the harvest, the stones and the extra parts which may have come by mistake are removed. The fruit or veggie is cleaned and polished. Then the food is prepared. Now if we talk about fruit, it is all packed up. And for other food items like example carrot chip, it will be made out and packed. Let's move ahead on this food journey. Now it's evaluated by checking it, judging it, and if it's perfect, we get it through the shopkeeper. Nowadays there are facilities in which you get it directly. Now this food is used in various things. People eat it directly or boil it or fry it or add it all to make out something delicious. Then you get the delicious output of this whole work. The same thing is done for animal-based food. Now we did surely learn how does the food come to us. But which part of the plant do we eat? We eat many leafy vegetables. We eat fruits of some plants, sometimes roots, sometimes stems and even flowers. How do we identify what part of plant it is? So let's see an example for that. So, for example, the food item is brinjal curry. The ingredients: brinjal, chili is something important, and oil. It could be mustard oil, groundnut oil, or any type. So brinjal is the fruit of a plant. Chili is again the fruit, and then oil. So oil is made out of mustard. So mustard is a seed, groundnut is again a seed. So it's how it works. So these are some common examples of fruit, which is tomato, apple, strawberry. Stem, celery, asparagus, kohlrabi. Example of leaf: lettuce, cabbage, spinach, and seed: sunflower seed, corn and beans. Observe these images please. Here we can see a pizza, which is a common junk food, and veggies, healthy food. But in science we have a term for this: nutrients. We can't just say a thing is unhealthy without knowing about the nutrients. So what are nutrients? Here we go. I'm pretty sure we all know about the food pyramid. So here you see, in the food pyramid, it basically shows how much each type of nutrition shall be eaten for a balanced diet. So these are all types of nutrients: carbohydrates, protein, fats, vitamin, mineral and water. Have you ever seen a nutrition label? You get it in every food item you get. So now, as we were talking about pizza, so this is an example of a nutrition label. So this is type of 2 complex. So for understanding it basically, so here is an example which you all can see. Now pizza, the ingredients are maida, pizza sauce, cheese and vegetable. Maida includes carbohydrates and protein. Pizza sauce includes fats and minerals. Cheese includes fats and vitamin. And vegetable includes vitamin and minerals. What will happen if I don't take a specific nutrition? So if I don't take vitamin A, it could be loss of vision. Vitamin B1, beriberi. Vitamin C, scurvy. Vitamin D, rickets. Calcium, bone and tooth decay. Iodine, goiter. And if you don't take enough iron, it could cause anemia. So it's experiment time. Lemon volcano eruption. Things you'll need: lemon, baking soda, food coloring. So gather them and let's begin. How is our lemon volcano erupting? The chemical reaction, of course. The citric acid from the lemon juice is reacting to the base of the baking soda, creating a gas called carbon dioxide. Bubbling, fizzing carbon dioxide, which creates a rainbow of color. This fizz is also helps the dish soap to create more exaggerated eruption. Thank you.